If I wanted it to know how I was doing my laundry, I couldn't, because I'd have to either label it or trial and error, which would have failed extremely. Because at one point we did have everything brailled, and the braille would get smushed together, so there was no possible way to use the braille after a certain point of time.
Towels and sheets.
I'm not the one who turns it to the setting, I think. My dorm parent comes and turns the setting for me. If I had one that talked, it would tell me the setting.
The first time when I turned it and it spoke, that was really exciting, and I just remember that was a good push to get to do more with it and finish the project. At that time, it was using a computery, kind of Siri voice, but we eventually got it to do recorded, real human voices.
It was cool. It was so cool because I got to come up here and see it.
Everyone in the dorm, including myself, thought it was really cool.
I never knew any 14-year-old or any kid to do something like that, and that really amazed me.
Now it talks to me, so I'll know, say, washing towels and sheets. There's a mode for that will be spoken by the voice.
It's helpful because it tells me what the settings are on it, and you don't have to mess up your clothes or your clothes getting shrunken or whatever.
It feels really good, like I'm, helping, not just doing it just to do it, but doing this can help somebody and it can help a lot of people potentially, and so I'm excited to get this working, maybe actually make a real product out of it to help, people with disabilities.